Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all well. Happy 2025. This is my first video since last year. And we're doing a barbecue today, and I thought I'll pick up the camera and you guys can join us. Elvis and Noah has gone to buy meats and stuff for the barbecue. I've already boiled the potatoes. For the potato salad. Yep. Yeah, I thought I'd give myself a bit of a rest before I start uploading again because, yeah, I don't know. Filming, recording, I don't know. To me, it's like the spark is like dimming down for recording. It's like my oomph is just not there right now. So who knows? Maybe when I light up the charcoals, it might light up something else, I don't know. So the reason why I thought I'll pick up the camera today, guys, because I know there's some loyal, viewers that's been following me since I started. And I feel pretty slack if I, just don't show any videos for a long time. So I thought, no, come on, soldier on and upload the video. Yeah, so I hope for 2025 that all your fellas' plan or most of your plans become a reality. All we can do is ask God to help us with our plans, and we do the footwork. Like, we can't just ask and then sit, right? We have to ask for his blessing and guidance, and then we just do the work. Anyway, so I thought I'd chuck that in. Might be a bots 2 cents with change. Okay, guys, I miss you guys. The oomph was just, 1 week would pass, and I think I haven't picked up the camera. And I thought, come on, Faye. Come on, Faye. Yeah, I know. So today is the day. So let's go. When Tangaro and them gets here, I'll film some more, guys. I've already boiled the potatoes. I've already boiled the eggs. Now I'm just sitting around till the meats get here.
Don't put it on the floor, though. Hold it. The floor's hot.
Oh, lava! Cheese! Cheese! Belly! Oh, oh.
Oh, smoky. Smoky.
Shit! That look good, I think. Not gonna lie to you.
Anyway, we gotta close it now so I can cook.
Look. Ah!
You
Check
got
out the
nothing.
pasta, girl. Little pasta.
What's what she's eating though?
Oh, so she might bring it all out.
Hey,
The house is so quiet, though.
honestly. Yeah, my baby. My baby. Honestly, my baby.
Good. Okay.
Where's the salt for?
What do you want salt for? Close the door. It's on the table.
Ooh, finally, look, finally.
Yeah, there is, but not much. Dad only bought 12. I want to take them off earlier so they can stay moist rather than dry. Dry like me. Some of these wings are cooked too. So. There's a little one like this. Have you seen it? Might be inside. The sausages are cooked. Nicely cooked too. Yeah, there's some spices here, so I just put them on. Go away, fly. I know you guys want some, but no. Yeah, it's all ready. So put it on this side over there. Okay. Yeah. And then you just shut that down. That's for the inside. my hands. Okay guys, finally sat down to eat. Tangara already ate outside. Or do you want to come and eat?
No, I'm good, Danny. Sorry, I'm watching.
Oh yeah, he's watching poker. And the kids got their food inside. I did my prayer already, so I'm gonna eat now, guys. Okay. I made a potato salad earlier on, and I put it in the fridge, so it could be all nice and chilled. Tomato and cucumber. That's my favorite. Tomato and cucumber. Mushroom sauce. Not much mushrooms because Tangaro didn't buy heaps. He just bought a little bit, but at least everyone gets a mushroom, huh? Okay, I'll probably start off with knife and fork and end up with hands. My drink today is like orange juice, but it looks like orange cordial. Cheers, guys. Mushroom sauce. Marination is really nice on the chops and wings. Same marination. If you want to know what the marination is, comment down below and I shall tell you. I've got two kinds of sausages. One is pork and the other one's like garlic and herb. Garlic and herb different. Back in the days, when our mouth used to be full, our mum used to tell us off. But like your mama. Wings, flats. Who's a flat person? Flat people, comment down below. This is good. Others will eat later. He's got a fish and he also had heaps of wings. So he's all good. Nice sausages. with the glass. Mm-mm-mm. That's a good thing about the barbecue with the lid. You just close it, walk away, come back later, and it'll be almost cooked. That's good, guys. Anyway, guys, the food is delicious. So if you want my marination, comment down below. Otherwise, I hope you guys got something nice to eat. It's a goodbye from Tangaro and I, even though he wasn't here, because he ate first. But he'll eat later when he's ready. Otherwise, Fasui full, guys. Thanks for hanging out. And happy 2025. Fasui full. Mwah.
Nice. Finishing my chops, my chicken, my salad, potato salad, and cucumber tomatoes. So I'm just finishing my corn, and that's it. Thanks for watching.